Hi friends, it's Mia from Interact. Today, I'm going to be showing you how you can redirect your quiz results to their Shopify collections. So, let's get into it. Start by logging into your Shopify account. Head to the product section and then select collections. You are going to create a new collection for each quiz result. Click on Add Collection. You are going to add a title and description to your collection. For the title, make it very straightforward. For my example, I'm using the same title as my result title. It says, Your Result, Dry Skin Defender. Next, write a short, friendly description that speaks directly to the customer. Let them know that these products were chosen just for them based on their quiz result. Keep it positive, on brand, and personal. Now, scroll down. In the product section, set Sort to Manually. Then click Browse to add specific products you want featured in this collection. Choose the products you want to include in the collection. Since this quiz result is Dry Skin Defender, I'm going to choose the hydrating products. Then click Add to confirm your selection. Once everything looks good, hit Save. Then hit View. Here is how your collection page will appear. Now make sure to copy the URL of the collection page. We'll use that in just a moment. Now head over to your quiz in your Interact dashboard and hit Edit. Go to the Results section. Then select Redirect Results. I'm going to select Dry Skin Defender. And now paste the URL of the Shopify collection I created for this specific result. Now hit Save. After you've successfully redirected your result, this is the message that will appear on your result page. You are now going to repeat this process for all quiz results. Each one should have its own Shopify collection page. Now, when someone finishes your quiz, they'll be instantly redirected to a personalized shopping page based on their unique answers and result. Now you can send the quiz taker directly to a personalized Shopify collection page. Well, that's it for me. Thanks so much for watching and happy quizzing.